scared. I'm scared too.
What we don't know is we don't know when and we don't know where. And my question to you, the public, is, will you be ready?
What did he just say?
He said there's a storm coming in.
What'd you say? I said there's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming, Ari.
There is a storm coming!
For many, the first impression felt downright biblical.
What the heck? Dude, you're all covered in locusts.
I know.
Like, you're just covered in them, dude.
There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming, Mr. Wayne.
There's a storm coming, brother.
There's a storm coming.
Okay, people, it's another spot in the cloud. It's bright. I don't know if you can see it, but now it's fading away. But the purple is brighter. Look at it, y'all. And it got bright. Unbelievable.
There's a storm coming, Dr. Suresh.
There's a storm coming.
There is a storm coming, a black and terrible storm.
There's a storm coming. I sense there's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming!
Alice says there's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming.
Storm's coming.
Storm coming soon.
A storm is coming, Frank says.
A storm is coming.
Shit! Whoa! Oh my God. No! Woo!
Storm's coming.
Storm's coming.
There's a fucking storm coming, man!
Storm's coming.
Storm's coming.
Storm's coming.
The great storm is coming! The wind that overturns the land!
The storm is coming.
Hey, Cody, there's a storm coming.
A storm is coming.
There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming, Frank.
Storm coming, kids! Let's get inside!
You can't sleep outside. There's a storm coming.
Storm's coming.
Oh, you all better get your umbrellas out because there's a storm coming! Come on, Jorge, give it to him!
There's a storm coming. What?
There's a storm coming, buddy. There's a storm coming.